Now let us see the substitution reactions of benzoic acid. First one is halogenation. So if benzoic acid on halogenation, if it is chlorination, Cl2 in presence of FeCl3 anhydrous FeCl3, Lewis acid is there. So chlorination, we will be getting a meta product since COOH group is a meta directing group, and this COOH will direct the incoming electrophile to the meta position. So incoming electrophile is chlorine Cl plus. So this chlorine is attached to the meta position and COOH group is a meta directing group. So the product will be 3-chlorobenzoic acid. So this is halogenation of benzoic acid. In the case of nitration, that is the second electrophilic substitution reaction, if benzoic acid on nitration, so we have to treat this benzoic acid with nitrating mixture, that is mixture of nitric acid and sulfuric acid, HNO3 and H2SO4. So the incoming electrophile NO2 plus, that is attached at the meta position since COOH group is a meta directing group. So the name of this compound is 3-nitrobenzoic acid. This is 3-nitrobenzoic acid. So nitration of benzoic acid gives 3-nitrobenzoic acid. In the case of sulfonation, if benzoic acid on sulfonation, H2SO4 is taken for sulfonation, sulfuric acid is taken, then the SO3H group, so the SO3H group will be attached at the meta position. So SO3H group will be attached. SO3H group is the incoming electrophile. So SO3H group will be attached at the meta position since COOH group is a meta directing group. So while naming this compound, this SO3H will be having more preference than COOH. So this carbon will be the first carbon, then 2 and 3. So in the third position, carboxyl group will be there, and we have to name it as a derivative of benzene sulfonic acid. So this is a derivative of benzene sulfonic acid. So third position, there is a carboxyl group. So the name is 3-carboxybenzene sulfonic acid. So this is the product of sulfonation. So these are three substitution reactions. Then comes Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. So in the case of Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation, in the case of Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation of benzoic acid, actually this will not happen, this reaction will not happen, or this benzoic acid will not respond to Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. So why? Because the deactivation of benzene ring due to carboxyl group, due to COOH group, is so strong. So that is the reason. So the deactivation of benzene ring due to carboxyl group is so strong, and Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation will not take place in the case of benzoic acid. So this is a question for examination also. Why Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation will not take place in the case of benzoic acid? So this is due to the deactivation of benzene ring due to carboxyl group is so strong, and this type of reaction will not take place in the case of benzoic acid. So this is about the substitution reaction of benzoic acid.